So this is my keyboard sound. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off keyboard sound in your Samsung Galaxy device. Go to your settings. In your settings app, tap on sounds and vibration. Here tap on system sound. Here you will find the Samsung keyboard option. Now to disable your Samsung keyboard sound, just toggle the switch off. And to turn on Samsung keyboard sound, just toggle the switch on. Thanks for watching.